be National Martini Day. The question is, how do you make the perfect martini? Many people think it's one plain martini, but there are quite a few varieties. And C.R. Reich from the new Bar Louie down in the Tech Center is here to show us how. Good morning. Thanks for coming in.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So I look at all this, and when I think of a martini or watch one made, I think of one or two ingredients, but you've made some complicated martinis here.
You know, we like to go above and beyond. These are all classically poured martinis from Bar Louie. What I'd like to show you, to start, you're going to pour with me, correct?
Well, let's pour.
Let's pour. So right out of the gate.
What are we making? We're
going
making
to make
a
the
stirred martini.
Yes, the Martinez, which is the original martini from the 1800s. So we're going to start with our gin.
Hendrick's gin you like, right?
Yes, sir. You're going to move
all
on
this
out.
stuff? Okay.
Yeah.
And you do the Tom Cruise pour.
Yeah, well, I like to base my life on cocktail.
Okay.
Then we're going to put a little Grand Marnier in.
Grand Marnier, and you do the fancy pour again, so I got to do that. Yeah.
And then we're going to have a little sweet vermouth here.
Sweet vermouth.
What makes this special is we're going to stir it.
Now, what does that really do, the difference between a stirred and a shaken martini?
What it does is it chills the liquor, but it doesn't distaste from the original taste of the liquor.
So we take our fancy little stir.
We're going to stir it 40 times.
40?
Yeah, go 40 times each
40
time.
times?
Yeah. So 40 times. We'll cut it a little bit short.
Let's cut it. But let me ask you something. Is that when I think of the worst jobs for a bartender, I always thought it was the mojito when you got to mash.
To muddle?
Is that the long one?
No, this is actually the long one, but it's so much fun. It gets you to give guest interaction.
Let's just shoot yours because mine I think was mixed improperly. So all that's in it are those three, or do you use any of the other flavorings? It's just the Grand Marnier, the sweet vermouth, and the Hendrick's.
Yes, sir. And then we take fresh squeeze here to even add more flavor. And take this lime zest.
Right, I'm just going to do this.
Right on.
Mine is more of a lime-based stir.
Exactly. It came out perfect.
But if you get James Bond and he wants shaken, not stirred, so what do you have for a shaken martini?
Shaken martinis, we're going to use our Kettle One and our Bombay.
Okay.
We're going to come up.
So I always think vodka and gin not mixing.
They actually mix very well for the palate. Tastes great. When we add the Lillet Blanc and our Nolly Pret vermouth, it's going to be very smooth.
What's this called?
This is called Dale's Second Chance, and where this comes from is James Bond in Casino Royale fell in love. This is the last drink he drank before he fell in love and never fell in love again.
Really?
So what we're going to do is this is called the Viking shake.
Okay, do it.
Like to go outside.
And you have to smile.
You got to smile.
Yeah.
Then you're going to pop it, and we're going to put it right in there.
Keep the ice. Pour the drink.
Keep the ice. You're going to have nice ice crystals on top. It's going to be very chilled. Delicious to the taste, and we are going to finish
a little more of that
with
zest.
A little more zest.
So you have the Bar Louie now in the Tech Center. You got a couple other stores in the area, right?
We do. We have 6 total, but the Bar Louie Tech Center is where I'm at. I'm the general manager.
So that's the only one that matters.
That's the only one that matters today. That's the only one that matters.
Well, if you want the recipes for Sunday's National Martini Day, we're going to put them on our website at kwgn.com, or you can go down and see C.R. Reich and the gang at the Bar Louie in the Tech Center. Maybe they'll make one for you.
Please do. I'd love to make a cocktail for everybody.
How often do you get people to do the shaken not stirred line? I mean, that's got to be pretty common.
Probably 12, 13 times a day.
Well, show me the fake laugh when you do get that. If you get that fake laugh, you know you probably shouldn't have said that. All right, thanks again, CR.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
All right, Kim, normally we do the taste test now.
Yeah, we're not going to see Tom for the rest of the show.
Yeah,
I
Tom's
have a feeling.
done. Tom is done. All right, you know what? We are so close to Friday. So